welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here at Charlestown. My name is Chloe and today we have a beautiful BMW i4 finished in a metallic forest green. This is a 2023 fully electric automatic transmission. I'll be going through some exterior and interior features. So if you come along to the side here, we have our 19-inch upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels with our red painted brake calipers matching our M Sport badge here. Now coming to the front, we of course have our iconic BMW kidney grills. We have our Shadowline version of the adaptive LED headlights. Coming to the side, we have gloss black trims along the windows. Now to the back, we have fully automatic opening and closing boot functionality. As you can see, we have plenty of compartment space here and underneath for charging cables and whatnot. Press this button here and it automatically shuts. Now moving on to the rear passenger seats, we have rear privacy windows. Taking a look at the interior, we have leatherette in a piano black finish. We have Isofix child seating support system as standard, and we have our M Sport stitching on the seat belt as well. Let's take a seat here. We have plenty of legroom space. It is a 4-zone climate control. And as you can see, we have our controls here. And we have some extra compartment space on the sides of the doors. Now taking a seat in the driver's seat, foot on the brake, push start to turn on the engine. Here is our instrument cluster with our speedometer and range. On the left here we have our infotainment menu. From here we can connect Apple CarPlay or Android Auto as standard and put it into home. We have some communications and here's navigation. If we put it into reverse, as you can see, we have a view of the rear camera. Here we have ultrasonic sound sensors as well, parking assist and reversing assist. From here we can also control the climate of the dual control zone in the front. Below, as you can see, we have gloss black accents complemented by silver chrome. Below we have media functions and some more demisting. Underneath we have our slot for the phone. Here we have USB for charging, cup holders, and here is our gear and transmission. From here you can easily navigate the different menus using the spin dial. And here we can explore the different modes. We have sport mode, comfort mode, and eco pro, and we also have an auto handbrake. Here we have compartment space in the center and some USB-C port for charging. Now taking a look at the steering wheel, we have cruise control on the left and some media functions on the right. Now looking at our driver's seat, we have automatic opening and closing windows and electronic folding mirror. It is a bit harder to see in broad daylight, but we have ambient lighting here. Above we have our BMW SOS emergency call button. Now, this beautiful BMW i4 is available for purchase on Joe Duffy BMW and across various other car selling websites. If you'd like to book an appointment, a test drive, have any questions for us at all, please don't hesitate to contact Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Chloe and thank you for your time. Bye bye.